Welcome to our channel.
Introducing the new function of predicting stock price using AI.
Enter country and the stock code. After clicking the MA button, start predicting stock price. Predicting stock price using moving average graphics is a common technical analysis method. After clicking the AR button, start predicting stock price. This is a time series analysis method that predicts future values based on past observations. After clicking the ARIMA button, start predicting stock price. ARIMA model is a powerful time series forecasting model. After clicking the RNN button, start predicting stock price.
RNN model is a powerful model capable of processing time series data. After clicking the LSTM button, start predicting stock price. LSTM is a special type of recurrent neural network. Excellent performance when working with sequence data. Particularly suitable for forecasting time series data.